Hello guys, again with another vlog. This is the second series of intermittent fasting. So how to do intermittent fasting? Intermittent fasting is very simple. So to start once, you have to understand the basics. So the basics for intermittent fasting is, here is how to actually do it. We have to follow some methods. For example, it depends upon which method you are choosing. For example, how to choose your fasting method is very important. Here are the most popular methods which mostly people follow and it's very convenient. Our first method would be 6:8 or 16:8 or 16:8 method, which is very popular. So fast for 16 hours, eat during an 8-hour window. Example, eat from 12 p.m. to 8 p.m. Okay, so you skip breakfast, eat lunch and dinner. So you need to skip the breakfast basically, and you can eat the lunch and the dinner. So 14:10 or 14:10 method, it's the beginner friendly method. Fast for 14 hours, eat during a 10-hour window. Example, 10 a.m. to 8 p.m. So easier for beginners are the first methods which I have just told you, and 5:2 method is also there, and it's like it eat normally for 5 days a week, and you have to limit the calories from 500 to 600 for 2 non-consecutive days. So these are the way. And another one is like 24-hour fast advance. So for 24 hours, like one day you're going to fast, which is to like fast for full 24 hours once or twice a week. Example, lunch to lunch, like that. So that is really hard. So it's people who became a pro for them. So step 2, set your eating and fasting hours. It's very important to set your eating hours and pick a routine that fits your lifestyle. For example, 12 p.m. to 8 p.m. eating window, which is very convenient for you if you are comfortable in that window. For example, people who are working, for them is different. So 8 p.m. to 12 p.m. the next day, the fasting window. So it depends people to people how they can do it. During the fasting period, avoid all calories. It's very important that during the fasting period you have to avoid all the calories. You can drink like water, like drink a lot of water, especially if you can drink 2.5 liter of water or 3 liters max, which is which will make you feel full. Then, or you can drink black coffee to keep yourself energetic, not drowsy, or herbal tea without sugar. Even coffee but without sugar. There will be no sugar added if you're having any coffee or herbal teas. The step 3 is focus on quality eating. So we need to focus on the quality of the eating. That's the healthy food. During eating window, eat healthy whole foods like oats, proteins, eggs, tofu, chicken, fish. Try to increase the proteins in your diet, guys. So, and there are healthy fats like avocados, nuts, olive oil. So these are kind of foods which will keep you full and they are healthy, and it comes in the good fat. So complex carbs are vegetables, fruits, whole grains, so you can have the additional of these ones as well. For hydration, keep drinking water throughout of the day. So avoid junk food, sugar, drinks, and um, eating. You won't be benefit from if you are eat properly. So it's very important to avoid the junk kind of foods and the sugary types of food, guys, if you want to really get benefited. So the step 4 is stay consistent. Yes, you have to be motivated, you have to be consistent whatever you are doing. Like you are doing today, you have to do tomorrow until the week. So it's very important. Start slow, maybe begin with 12 is to 8 method, or 16 is before the 16 is to 8. Go with the beginning methods. So track how you feel, you feel your energy, hunger, sleep, and focus, etc. How intermittent fasting actually works. So let's talk about now how actually intermittent works in our body. Intermittent fasting works by changing how your body uses energy and burns fat. So these days, to burn the fat, here's what happens inside your body. It's slowly it when you're having the during the eating feed state, our body takes the insulin attached. Your body uses the glucose sugar from food as it maintains energy source. So insulin glucose is very important. So insulin is released to help cells absorb glucose. So this is how our body functions. And second, during the fasting phase state, what happens to our body is, after about 8 to 12 hours without food, the glucose runs low. So that is the reason why your body switches to burning fat for energy. So this is how it works when you're fasting, and it burns the fat. So stored fat is broken down into ketones, which your body and brain use as fuel. So this is the trick and very effective method to reduce weight. The third is the hormonal changes. So the hormonal changes occurs in our body when insulin levels drop, easier fat burning. So guys, what you're waiting for? Human growth hormone increases, supports fat loss and muscles prevention. So this is the best method of using in fasting methods, because the cell repair starts through a process called autophagy. That means your body clears out damaged cells. So this is so much effective. But last but not the least, the important tips which you need to follow is drink lots of water. Because if you don't drink lots of water, you might feel dehydrated. So don't overeat during your eating window. So you will be full if you drink a lot of water before your meal, after your meal, because you'll feel full and it won't drink overeat. So avoid sugary or processed foods during your eating window as well. Try, so it will be plus point for you to reduce more weight. Listen to your body, guys. If you feel dizzy or unwell, pause or adjust your schedules. So if you feel like you're getting low, try to skip for the day and start again. Let me tell you guys, fasting is not starving. It is intentional and it is controlled. So if you like this video, please thumbs up and subscribe for more. Bye bye.